Okay, now go over
then
to save.
Save, and then I do the, where is it? Nope. It's this one over here under residuals, right? And standardize. Where's continue? There's
yes, and yes. Where's your password?
Oh, there it is. Continue.
That's right.
And what was the question here?
Okay, so now
compute the residuals for the data using the software. What statement best describes the residuals? The residuals are between residuals from a linear pattern. The residuals are all negative. Okay.
we could look at the residuals if they're between that. But
the residual, oh man, I forgot what. Okay. I don't understand, honestly. I remember.
Yeah, I don't think it's the first.
Okay. You don't think it's the first one. Do I need to do a plot to make all negative the residuals from a linear pattern?
They're not all negative. So now I think we do, let me look at the textbook. Make a residual plots.
Do we need to make a plot?
I guess we could do a residual plot. Here, do you want me to screen share? I just might freak my computer out.
Should I do a QQ plot? Oh, you're sharing? Okay, hold on. I have.
No, yeah, do a QQ plot.
Okay. All right, so analyze, descriptive, and
I can hold her.
And move this to dependent. And then for factor.
Wait, are you doing a Q?
Yeah.
There's no fact. Don't worry about factor.
Oh, that's right. Okay.
The residual number is the DF section. That's degrees of freedom.
The residual is the DF. That was 137. Right here.
Here, I'll do the QQ plot too. Analyze.
So here. Come on. Don't freeze on me now. Oh wait, I was supposed to push plots. Dang it. What? Analyze.
It kind of has curvature. I don't know if it's linear.
It is.
What is the video?
Plot.
They're not. Are they all? They're not all negative. Are about. Let me.
Are you talking to me or are you talking to Alexis?
Kind of talking.
Okay.
It could. Okay, so look. I'm gonna look at the residual statistics on the output. It's a box that says residual statistics, and the residuals are. It's about -40 and 25. The minimum and the maximum.
Where are you looking?
Okay. Just keep scrolling and I'll see if you have residual statistics. Right there. Okay, so there's that box. Look at the residual minimum and maximum.
Okay, minimum. 38, maximum. Okay, residuals between 40. Well, they're not because the minimum.
Oh, you're right.
Here, -38 and okay, then it is this one.
No, I don't think it is.
No?
This is really weird. They're not all negative though, so I think it might be linear. I don't know, man. The QQ plot's kind of curved though.
Okay, let me look at the QQ plot. Come on, let me go.
But they are close in a line. Only distributed.
Where is
For
my
many's sake,
QQ?
You go to analyze.
Okay, it is in a linear.
Yeah, what do you think? I don't know.
This goes into. Oh,
No, that's the unstandardized.
so this. Whoops. Okay, the residuals are all negative, which is. Okay, I think you're right. The residuals form a linear pattern because. Let me look at it again.
I don't remember
Wait,
them
but this
caring
is
about
not.
that.
But this is not a residual. Wait. This is, oh, I don't know. I gotta re-listen to the lesson. Apparently, I'm confused. Okay, that does not make sense to me right now. Crocodile residual observed. Why? Why predicted?
They're not all negative.
There's supposed to be no pattern for.
I think it's the first one because it's about 40 and 25. Not exactly, but about.
Let's just put it, and then if it's not, I'm pretty sure it's the middle one.
Okay.
Was
So, Alexis, we're putting that. They're between
based on the QQ.
the QQ plot. I think we looked at the normal QQ plot. I don't know, man. This is tripping me up.
Really not normal. The residuals are fairly normal. The residuals look right skewed.
I think
So
they're fairly normal.
not normal means they're all over the place.
Yeah, they're pretty close to the QQ line.
So residuals are clear. So what you say, the residuals are fairly normal?
For question 7.
Okay. And then 8, use to create a scatter plot of data given the scatter plot residuals plot and the QQ plot. Which of the 5 assumptions about linear regression are satisfied by this data? Check all that apply. There is a linear relationship between x and y. That is correct. The variance of the error term is constant for all values of x.
Yeah, it is. They are all constant. That means it's not a weird shape.
Okay.
Regression scatter plot.
Residuals are normally distributed. No. The x values are measured without error. The observations are independent. I think it's just the first 2, right? Would you agree?
Let me look. Requirements, normal error term, constants, no megaphone. X's are known constants. I don't know if it's, okay, observations are independent. Cannot be checked. So it's not the last 2. I think it's all of them except the last 2.
So the residuals are normally distributed? I thought we said up here they were, hold on. Oh, we said they're fairly normal. Okay. So you think the middle one too?
Just what I think.
Okay.
So, Alexis, did you get that? The last, okay.
Okay, so for the slope, which is B1, let's see. I need to look back. So I'm trying to remember where is.
Okay. The
So-
slope is in the code. I think it's 18.69.
Why do I remember? I forget all this. Man, I thought I had this all done. Okay. It's in the coefficient box.
I think so. Yeah.
Is it the T or the?
Oh wait. Okay. Row 1 is BO. Row 2 is B1. Coefficients box. If we're looking for B1,
Yes, we're looking for B1.
okay, so then it's 12.95. You see that?
12.
Charlie, come here. Come here. No, she doesn't want to. I think it's 12.695.
Why? Okay. The coefficient one said 12. Oh, it says B right here.
Where?
What do you mean? Okay. 12.695. Ah. We don't have to record next meeting. Do you guys remember? Read that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, lower bound.
95 feet for the lower bound and upper bound. Did I already do that? Is it right here?
No.
I gotta read. Okay. Then I have to. Let me get my paper. Hold on.
Okay.
I forgot which one that is. Hold on, let me look at my notes. Plots of residuals.
I can walk you through it if you want.
Okay, is it where I do analyze again?
No, we have a meeting. We can't record it, Alexis. We have a meeting still. Hi.
All right, so
go to analyze.
descriptive
Regression. Alex, regression. No. Analyze regression. Linear. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Okay. And then
statistics.
statistic. Okay, I thought. And then it doesn't say. Oh, confidence interval.
Statistics. And then continue.
I need to write that down. And then.
I hope it is.
So we're doing the bottom numbers, right? So the lower would be 10.694.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Where are we? Lower. 674. And then upper is 14.7. Yeah, I was over this class a week ago. My husband's in quarters, so he already had his finals last week, which I really hate. Because he gets a break, and I'm like, you get a break, and I don't. He's at a different school. So, based on
the next
evidence,
one is
Go ahead.
We reject because the p-value is less than alpha.
Yes,
12.
it is. So we reject the null because p-value is less than alpha. So it's the third one, right? For our hypothesis of b-slope, if you reject the null, what does it mean? Well, if you reject it, that means we have sufficient evidence. Oh, hold on. Sufficient or evidence to include the slope regression line is not 0. Right, there is sufficient evidence to include that the slope of the regression line is 0. It is 0, right? I don't think I understand. This
So
lesson.
there is sufficient evidence to conclude
Is it the second one?
that the slope isn't.
Because the whole point of us doing a regression line, I guess I don't understand the whole object of this. So card with a length based on head length, data has a hot dog shape. So the residual, there is sufficient evidence to include that the slope of the regression line is not 0, because we have the slope of the regression line as 12. Didn't we put that up there?
Yeah, so I think it's the third one.
The third?
Oh, no.
The fourth? Okay.
Yeah, the last one.
Oh, I'm worried about this lesson. Okay, now we got to use this data. Actually, I'm not going to close that in case we get any answers wrong. Okay, so for this data, which variable is the dependent variable? Head length was used to predict body length. So it'd be body length, right?
Yeah.
And then
Did you get that, Alexa?
construct a 95 confidence interval to put in the answers for a margin of error, lower bound and upper bound. Okay, so now we're just going to compute it like we did. So we start with, okay, so when I did the video, it confused me because he started by doing the graphs first, but I can just do analyze first, right?
That's just to check that you can do it. That's another one of those check to make sure all the requirements are met, which I freaking hate so much. I don't care if they're met or not.
So so I don't have to do that. Usually the requirements are always met unless they specifically ask only for that question. I mean, for that problem, because they want us to go further with this one. So analyze regression, linear. So the dependent is body length. Independent is head. Now I can do statistics now, right? So
yeah.
What was I supposed to do in save? Let's see, save. Oh, unstandardized. Continue. Okay. So our margin of error.
What did you get? I got.
For the error estimate, hold on. Standard margin for this 95% confidence interval. Oh, that's right. We subtract them from each other, right? And then divide it by 2.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So
8.103
103 minus 7.218 equals,
Yeah, I'll just hold her because we're going to bed in an hour.
wait,
So I got 0.443.
that's what I got too. 4425.
15, Alexis, is 0.443.
Whoops. Sorry.
Sorry, that was confusing.
And
The
low
way I wrote that. Okay.
7.218.
Round to 7.218. Did you get that, Alexis?
Mm.
And the upper bound is the 8. Holy dang.
Trace on your lower bound, upper bound from the last two problems. What can you say about B1?
Yeah.
The slope?
Whoa.
We
Oh,
have
this is a really hard quiz.
95 confidence interval will contain the true value of B1. There's a 9 chance the constant interval will contain the true value of B. There's insufficient evidence to reject it.
17.
Oh,
well, we don't have 18 yet, but 16 and 17 is 7.2. 17 is 8.103. Fine.
it's the second one for 18, right?
I'm not there yet. Don't freeze. Okay, based on your lower bound, about B1. Who cares? Okay.
I know. Just ask for numbers.
Okay, let me look. I'll look at the text really quick.
Hold on. There's well, it's definitely not insufficient evidence to reject the null hypothesis, so it would be 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see how this goes. Do you want me here? I'll submit first. You don't.
Oh,
Did I do it wrong?
it is A. It's the first one. I think it's the first.
I just turned it in.
Let's see. What'd you get?
Let's see. I got the last one wrong. Dang it.
I'm sorry. I didn't know you turned it in. I'm sorry.
Don't be sorry. I just got her. Sometimes I wonder if it's really worth it to go through the whole thing, but then I think about, well, the exams I'm not doing 100%, so maybe it is.
That's the only one you got wrong?
Yeah.
Woo!
I don't know how that is because we were like so unsure about everything. That's funny.
That was the stupidest quiz ever. Hey, Alexis, it's the first one.
Because I feel like when we did the homework with it, it really didn't go over the same questions. That's when I don't like the quizzes. When the homework is not really aligned with the quiz. So, oh well.
Submit the quiz. What's wrong with you? Come on, computer. Stop asking me these questions.
I'm not submitting it.
It's like, are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. I can't believe we got all of those right. I actually can't believe we got all of those right.
Neither can I. But
And next meeting is a review for our next exam. I don't know if there's a quiz or anything. Let me look. If there's a quiz, I don't know.
for what? Oh, for the exam?
In the morning again on Thursday. What do you think, Jesse?
Yeah, I can do Thursday morning. That would be perfect.
So 9 Cali, 10 Rexburg.
Yeah, that's fine with me.
Texas 2. Okay. Okay, did Skylar text you back? Do you feel comfortable with doing what is it called? The PowerPoint? Yeah, okay. And just do it by Wednesday. Send it to her and then send it to us and we'll add edits too. You know, just like Jesse did.
Sorry, I was last
I'm
minute.
sorry I didn't do that. I'm sorry. I sent a text that I was sorry it stressed you out. And then it never sent. And I was like, whatever, fine. Wait, the PowerPoint is due Wednesday, I think. Today is Skylar's job, so hopefully.
Yeah, Skylar. I know. So we need a response
not
by
that
him.
hard.
What?
The one for this week, I looked at it. It doesn't look like.
It's just doing the hypothesis test. So here's my thing. If we don't hear